This man said, without a shadow of a doubt, that Virgil van Disney is better than Nemanja Vidic. Nemanja Vidic, the man that put him head where feet should be for Manchester United. Van Disney is better than Nemanja Vidic? Are you fucking kidding me, fam? Are you fucking kidding me, bro? Check this out. Nemanja Vidic versus Virgil van Disney. Virgil van Dijk right now has 220 appearances for Liverpool. Nemanja Vidic 211. Here the results from those appearances. Remember, Van Dijk more than 220. Vidic 211. Listen, wins 214 for Nemanja Vidic, 135 for Van Disney. Losses 27 losses for Vidic, 40 losses for Van Dijk. Goals conceded 133 for Vidic,